they go tell me about you and we try and even do an abbreviated version, if you even step into that door, the moment you stop talking is the moment that they're gonna go, okay, well that's all, she doesn't seem to have, there's not a lot there, right? We just don't even put a toe in that water, right? I just wanted to learn a little bit about you. Tell me about you. Yeah, when you say you wanted to learn about us, can you give me a specific example? And you guys on the call, on the session, some of you may be skeptical of what I just said. Please try this. Here's the thing that's working in your favor that you don't realize. You think by hearing that in a third-party role play that I was being evasive and then I deflected. I was, and I did, but I evaded and I deflected to talking about the other person. And people cannot help talk about themselves. Now, there are a few instances where you say, hey, when you say you wanted to learn about us, can you give me a specific example? That they'll be very terse. I just want to know what your cost is and blah, 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 blah. Usually, in your case, Chelsea, that is somebody that wants to justify their relationship with their best friend, Patty Morgan from Patty Morgan Recruiting, and the boss said you got to get 3 other bids, and you're not even in that deal, right? They just want some little piece of information. In that case, you have to say, hey, my fees range. It depends on if it's, I can't remember the thing, exclusive placement or contingency. Man, I'm learning a lot about recruiting, just hanging out with you, right? And then you can be abbreviated. But in most cases, if this is a genuine prospect that genuinely wants to learn about you and you steer the conversation onto them, they will welcome it. They will welcome it because nobody they're talking to in the sales process even wants to talk about them. Everybody aggressively leads with, let me talk about myself. And that's why they don't trust anybody, if that makes sense. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University Sales Coaching. If you like this video, I think I'm about to become your new best friend because I want to cover the cost for you to get the closing mini masterclass. The $299, I'm paying for it for you. It's free for you. Click the link somewhere around here or simply comment with the word closer. I'll cover the $299. You'll get the closing mini masterclass, make a lot more money, and I'll be your new best friend. I'll see you over in the closing masterclass.